Hello, this is Dr. Uttam Kumar. Many students called me and requested to explain the question number 1 which I was sent on 22nd April 2020 in group WhatsApp. That's why I made this video. Basically, this question is based on Markowitz portfolio selection model. Our question is A owns a portfolio of two securities with the following expected returns, standard deviations, and weights. Here is the entire informations. Security A expected returns 12%, standard deviation 15%, weight 0.40, which means the total portion of security A in the portfolio is 40%. Again, security B expected returns 15%, standard deviation 20%, weight 0.60, which means the total portion of security B in the portfolio is 60%. Now you are required to calculate what are the maximum and minimum portfolio standard deviations for varying level of correlation between two securities. Here we have to understand that what is the varying level of correlation between two security. We all know that correlation is vary always between +1 to -1. So the varying level of correlation is between +1 to -1. Then the first question is what is the portfolio standard deviation when portfolio correlation is +1? This is called maximum portfolio standard deviation. And the second question is what is the portfolio standard deviation when portfolio correlation is -1? This is called minimum portfolio standard deviation. Now come to the solution. According to Markowitz portfolio selection model, portfolio standard deviation is expressed as weight of A square into standard deviation of A square plus weight of B square into standard deviation of B square plus 2 into weight of A into weight of B into standard deviation of A into standard deviation of B into correlation between A and B to the whole power 1 by 2. Now putting the value, weight of A square is equal 0.40 square, standard deviation of A square is equal 15 square plus weight of B square is equal 0.60 square, standard deviation of B square is equal 20 square plus 2 into weight of A 0.40 into weight of B 0.60 into standard deviation of A 15 into standard deviation of B 20 into correlation between A and B to the whole power 1 by 2. After solving, we get this expression, which is 36 plus 144 plus 144 into correlation between A and B to the power 1 by 2. Earlier, we have discussed that the portfolio standard deviation will be at a maximum when the correlation between security A and B is +1. That is, putting +1 on the place of correlation between A and B, we get this expression. After solving this, we get the maximum portfolio standard deviation, which is 18%. Again, the portfolio standard deviation will be at a minimum when the correlation between securities A and B is -1. That is, putting -1 on the place of correlation between A and B, we get this expression. After solving, we get the minimum portfolio standard deviation, which is 60%. Thank you.